What's up, guys? Dill Boys here again. We got another awesome challenge today. Is Yellowbird hot sauce. First, we have the sriracha, followed by the jalapeno. Then we have serrano, and then we have the habanero Yellowbird hot sauce. So these people are based in Austin, Texas, I believe it is. And we're going to drink a small cup of each sauce and see who can withstand to the end. All right, and we have a awesome assistant today who's going to help us with our cups. It is the Shuggy Princess. So first we're going to do sriracha. It's supposed to be the least hottest. This is blue agave sriracha.
So how are we gonna do this? We're gonna do it all together or one at a time?
We can drink it all together.
Yeah, it don't matter.
Okay.
All right, everybody.
Special assistant Shuggy.
She's smothering it.
Don't fill it all the way up, Shuggy,
Okay.
just the bottom.
That's good. There's
How
one.
much
She
hot sauce?
doused it like it was ketchup.
Oh, that's what it is. Good job. Also, if y'all think this is the best assistant ever, put it in the comments below.
That one was mine. You still got your fork. Okay.
Why am I agree to do this stuff?
Because we're crazy.
Because we're the deal boys.
The real boys.
Great job,
Yeah.
Shuggy.
All right. This is
Woo.
pretty thick.
I know.
Can you line it back up with the other ones? Good
Good
job.
job. All right. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
As
3,
ready as I'll ever be.
2, 1, go.
That's how you've been thinking this.
Didn't think it'd be that hot.
Oh,
You okay?
that hot.
Yeah, drink milk.
I didn't think it was too bad. You okay? I really like the taste of it though.
Man, it's okay.
All right, one down. Assistant Shuggy.
I'm scared of the jalapeno.
Now we go to the jalapeno.
Please do not give us too much.
Also, guys, if you like this challenge and you like seeing us taste these random sauces and doing these different food challenges, click the like button, share it, subscribe, click the bell button. Because if you don't click the bell button, you're not actually subscribed.
Also, please write in the comment section below what you would like to see us do next. And if you're lucky enough, you might see it in our next video. Ah, that definitely looks... Ooh, it's more thin than that one.
How does it smell?
I love the smell of the
Yeah, this
sriracha
one-
It smells
really
good.
This one smells
Oh,
like
yeah.
salsa.
Yeah,
It's supposed to smell like salsa.
I don't know how to describe it. It's like a sweet smelling to it, and I like the way it smells. It smells really good.
I don't know if the serrano is actually going to taste like serrano at this point, because
I don't know.
the sriracha got me.
The sriracha, I'm not even burning from it no
Yeah,
more.
same.
So, all right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, cheers. That one wasn't spicy at all.
No,
Really?
it wasn't spicy at all.
It was, the sriracha had more kick than that one.
That one tastes really, really good though. All right. Ready for the next challenge?
I guess.
Assistant Sugar.
Ready outside?
You
Thing
like
is-
from this sauce?
On my
This
losing
sauce.
streak, I gotta win at least one.
We're expecting this one to be pretty hot.
Yeah, because as seen in
This
our,
is the Serrano pepper.
as seen in our last video, the Serrano actually took me and Bradley out, and our dad had to move on for the habanero.
So,
This is not fun giving my little sister the ability to torture me.
ooh.
She was nice to me. Thank you, Shuggy.
Great job, Assistant Shiggy.
Thank you.
They all have a
They ripe.
similar smell to them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The hotter you go, though, the less sweet the smell.
I'm scared of this one.
All right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa. Ah. Ah.
That's actually pretty good.
Woo.
Really, truly, as crazy as this might sound, I think the Sriracha was the hottest.
I know.
So far, yeah.
All right. The monster of them all, the habanero. Now, we did some research on these. These two are relatively close, like
Yeah, they're
between 1,500 to 3,000 Scoville units. How much was the Sriracha?
the
Serrano,
Sriracha. Those
the
were all
Serrano.
three pretty closely grouped.
No, this one I think was up to 6,000. It says online the habanero is supposed to start out at 15,000 Scoville units. So this could be really, really hot.
Bradley,
All right,
Might wanna-
Shuggy.
you might want to tap out before you have to witness the
Shuggy
pain.
assistant. Thank you, Shuggy assistant. This works out more than you think.
Oh yeah, this is a lot more runny.
Whew. I'm not excited.
Must be a lot more runny because of how hot it is. It's
Why does the habanero sauce look like a habanero?
It's the same reason the Sriracha looks like a Sriracha. I mean Serrano.
Sriracha.
Yeah.
Mm,
Yeah, that smells
right.
hot.
yeah.
All right,
Bradley, you're
Y'all
doing-
ready?
this is gonna be hot, guys. Y'all ready?
Yep. Yes and no.
Thank
All
you,
right.
Shiggy. You did great.
I gotta outlast Bradley.
3, 2, 1, go. Ooh.
And the
Add
journey
a kick
begins.
to it.
Yep, it's the slow heat.
Thank God. Bad thing is it hit the back of my throat.
So did it. It did that to me too.
Is it getting hotter? Mine's getting a little bit hotter.
Mine isn't. Mine is the hit.
Yours was a single shot. Sure you don't want to go up, Bradley? Because I think next we're mixing the sauces.
Oh no.
So we all three made it through.
I still think Sriracha was worst.
Yeah. Sriracha was probably the hottest.
I don't know why it was the hottest when it said that it was supposed to be the least out of all of them.
Yeah, I don't know.
But I think
All right.
I'm pretty sure I'm still climbing.
Let's
See
try it.
that?
Miss Assistant Shiggy, we need a shot of each.
We need. Okay. This one already has the red one.
Excuse me.
Yeah, but it's
Are you
not-
putting all 4 in 1 cup?
Oh,
Or
yeah.
How
are
do
you
y'all want to
doing-
do it? 1 cup or 4 separate cups?
Ugh, that's a toughie.
And
I
you
think
do
you
them
should
back
just
to
do
back
all
to back.
4 in 1 cup.
Okay. That's what we'll do then.
Do you think that we should just pour them into like that?
No.
Yeah, I think you'll-
Just put a little bit of each one in a cup, Assistant Shiggy.
Okay. Like,
Shiggy, not quite as much.
That's steady.
I'm still
Hold
heating
on.
up.
You're still heating up?
Mm-hmm.
I'm done.
I'm
Really?
done. Too.
Alright,
That's
Nathan.
I don't know which one to do.
The emptiest one.
That's the orange one. Nathan, you ready for all three and you to go out? 4? Oh, yeah.
You gotta go out before I go out.
Alright, guys. Assistant Shiggy's at work. Are y'all ready? Hey, you
She's
got milk
doing
in
a
front
great
of you.
job with this.
I know.
You can always be a loser.
I
How
gotta.
much more do we like?
What do you mean?
She's doing the serrano sauce now.
I don't like.
That's Nathan's. Why do we agree to do this stuff? Okay.
Because you're
Is
not
that it?
smart.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the top, Assistant Shiggy. Thank you.
Alright, y'all boys ready?
Yeah, you ready to lose?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm not going out.
It's either gonna be me or you. In all seriousness.
I'm not going out that easily.
3, 2,
Gotta get my position.
1, go.
That's pretty hot.
Nothing.
You okay?
That's actually pretty hot.
Oh, you gonna tap out, Bradley?
Yeah.
Well, today, I think we have 3 winners.
Yay.
Really like Yellowbird hot sauce. We got ours from Fresh Market.
We got it's fresh market.
Fresh Market has these also. Amazon has it. I'll put a link below where you can order it through Amazon. Really good hot sauces. They're not too hot. They all taste really well. So Yellowbird, you did a great job. Also, click the B button and like and share, guys. Thanks.